In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple headers in Wix Studio, whether you're building a website for your business, your portfolio, or just for fun. Headers are an essential part of creating a clean and professional website. They help organize your content, make navigation easier for your visitors, and ensure your site has a cohesive look and feel. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of adding multiple headers to your Wix website using simple and clear instructions. By the end, you'll be able to customize your site with ease, so let's jump right in. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website. You can do this by typing wix.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Wix homepage, you'll need to log into your account. In the upper corner of the homepage, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have a Wix account, simply enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's quick and easy to create one. For a faster and more secure login option, you can select Continue with Google. This step allows you to log in using your Google account, which is super convenient. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From your dashboard, locate the website you want to work on and open the Wix editor for that specific site. If you're new to Wix, the editor is the tool that lets you design and customize your website exactly how you want it. It's user-friendly and packed with features to help bring your vision to life. Now that you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a plus icon there. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Click on that icon and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the Sections option. Sections are pre-designed blocks that you can add to your site to build out its structure. Among these sections, there's a category specifically for headers, and that's what we're focusing on today. Click on the Headers category to browse through all the available header options. Wix offers a variety of designs, so take your time and preview a few of them to find one that matches your website's aesthetic and style. Whether you're looking for something modern, minimalistic, or bold, there's likely to be a header that suits your needs. Once you've found a header you like, click on it to select it. From here, it's as simple as using Wix's drag and drop functionality. Drag the selected header over to your website layout and position it exactly where you want it to appear. You can place it at the top of your homepage, on a specific section, or wherever it works best for your site's design. Take a moment to adjust its position until you're happy with how it looks. If you need to add multiple headers to different pages or sections of your site, you can repeat this process. Simply head back to the Headers category, choose another design, and drag it into place on the relevant page. By customizing headers for different sections, you can ensure that each part of your website has its own unique touch while maintaining a unified design across the board. And that's it. With just these simple steps, you can add and customize multiple headers in Wix Studio to enhance your website's functionality and visual appeal. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.